Mastering coordinating conjunctions. Elevate your English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of coordinating conjunctions. It may sound a bit formal, but these little tools are crucial to connect your ideas in English. So, let's jump in. Coordinating conjunctions are words that connect words, phrases, or clauses that are grammatically equal. These could be two words, two phrases, or two independent clauses. For instance, Ella and Oliver are friends. Two words. She likes to read books or watch movies. Two phrases. I wanted to go to the concert, but I had to study. Two independent clauses. Coordinating conjunctions in English can be remembered with a simple acronym: FANBOYS. F, fora, and N, norb, buto, ori, yets. So, each of these conjunctions has a unique role in linking ideas together. Let's look at examples of how we can use FANBOYS in sentences. 1. For, I go to the gym daily, for it keeps me fit and active. 2. And, I like playing guitar and reading novels. 3. Nor, he neither plays the piano nor sings songs. 4. But, I wanted to eat ice cream, but I was on a diet. 5. Or, should we go to the park or stay home and watch a movie? 6. Yet, I am tired, yet I can't sleep. 7. So, I didn't study for the test, so I failed. It's also important to understand the rules of using coordinating conjunctions. 1. Coordinating conjunctions can connect words, phrases, or clauses of equal grammatical rank. 2. When joining two independent clauses, a comma is usually placed before the conjunction. 3. Nor is slightly different. When it is used, it requires the auxiliary verb to be inverted. Example: he did not run, nor did he hide. That's it for today's lesson on coordinating conjunctions. Remember, these are vital tools to help you convey your ideas more effectively in English. Don't forget to practice using FANBOYS in your daily conversations and writings. Keep learning and growing.